Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to delete all chat history on Gemini AI app. The first thing you do is open up the Gemini app and then you tap on the message or chat icon at the top left corner to open up the chat, and then you press down on the chat you want to delete and tap on delete. So if you confirm by tapping on confirm again, or you can simply tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, tap on Gemini apps activity. Once you've gotten here, the next thing you're gonna do is you see all the activities, tap on delete, and then you choose is it the last hour, last day, always, or you can custom range by tapping on custom range. Select it after and before date, and then that's it. Or you can just go for today, and then you see the activities, tap on the X and to delete it. So you can just tap on it one after the other, or just tap on today and delete everything at once. It is as simple as that.